Now, R packages or sometimes we called R libraries. So to write any note or comment, we will use hash. If we type hash, then the code will not be run. For this reason, to write any node title, we use hash. Now library. So if we would like to open Excel data, then we need library, read Excel. Then another library, library, tidyverse. Then another library, labeled. Then another library, GT summary, and another library, GT. So why do we need library? For read Excel, this library we use for reading data, Excel data. This is for data management. This is for value label. This is for data analysis. This is for preparing table. So first we have to install. How to install? Very easy. We don't need to install manually. Just after writing the syntax or after writing any library, just we have to save it. For example, we will save my class one. We'll give any name, then save. After saving, we'll get this type of message. After getting message, just click install. So when we click here, then package will be installed within 5 minutes or something. Yes, all packages are installed.